Nawala naman. Oh, there is. Never. There's a surveillance in there. Oh, there's so there. It's running. There's a UFO going down. What's that? I'm sure there's a rain in there, very heavy. It's going. See, just a minute. I don't know what's that. Look. Looks like there is a feet in it. Oh my, that's bad now. Hala. Tingnan nyo mga friendship. Oh, I don't know what's that. Just like there is a UFO coming. It's not really nice looking. It's a nervous ni UFO. Hala. See the face of UFO. Going down. Nothing swirling. What's that view? Like rotation. Yeah, nothing. But just like going down. Just like there's something in it. A big airplane. I don't know. Look at that. It's around. Okay. Not good. Not good. This is very close to our house. Hala. I hope nothing's in there. Ay, Lord.